People, I'm going to show you a little thing. And it's too easy to forget. In the case of Pastor Smith, Zine, remember, the liaison officer for the police came and said there were 3 officers, 1 dead on the spot and 2 was in hospital under critical condition, so they cannot speak. Want to remember that? My reason slow today. Slow today. Do you remember the liaison officer that came on the TV, which wasn't on the scene of the crime or nothing like that? She said there are 3 police officers, 1 who died in the car with Mr. Smith, and 2 others that was in serious critical condition, and they could not speak. She could not get a statement from them because they cannot talk. We're at about 5 or 6 months since Mr. Smith so-called passed away, right? So why we don't hear about the 2 police in the hospital all now, and we don't get a statement from them all now? Them not come out, so TVJ News now want to hear for them side of the story no more? No, me just want to know. Me would have liked the liaison officer, whatever her name is again. What's your name again? What happened to the 2 police that survived? Because then they give one fictitious funeral and put up one program say they want to dead in the car get buried. No problem. No problem. No problem. Because I don't think we are getting. I feel like we finished with it. What happened to the 2 police who were in critical condition? It's over 6 months now. They must feel better. Because they don't tell me say them dead. So they must feel better. We want to see them on TVJ speaking. I want to see them medical report to their medical records for sure say for the 6 months this was them recovery from yesterday. So when them come off a machine, when them start walk back, when them start talk back, where's all of that? Please remember, Jamaica Constabulary Force, Government of Jamaica. There are a lot of stupid people in Jamaica are of Jamaican descent, but not everybody is stupid. You Bob Marley tell you say you can fool some of the people them some of the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Yeah, but so we don't know where the white driver for the white van there. Remember we know a lie them at them. People. Remember say we know say a lie them. So we don't want to get distracted by the driver of the white van. Make we load apart. Where the 2, remember the 2 police cannot disappear because them in critical condition, in hospital, cannot talk, cannot give a statement at the time of the crash. It's now 6 to 7 months after the accident. What is the progress report of those 2 police officers? Can they tell you lies say 1 dead and in bury everything? Bullshit. Where the next 2 police there? So the liaison officer who did come on TV and attack like she did dead and I tell you everything. Was she there? Come tell you what about the other 2 police. As a matter of fact, we don't need to talk to she like. We need to talk to the 2 police. Because they must recover now. The story not done. Jamaica people not forget. Remember that we don't know a lie them are telling them because the side of the car will get leaked with Mr. Smith. It's impossible for that side to get leaked. Coming to Kingston from Flatbridge, you're on the left-hand side of the road. See? Coming to Kingston. the driver would be on the right. See? And the side of the car will lick. When Mr. Smith, they are the left hand side. No car now come on the left hand side. So it's impossible for the car crash in a left hand side of Mr. Smith car. So that was stage, we know that already. So there's a lot of unanswered questions, and this is why the country can't better. And this is why the crime escalate and escalate and escalate. Because everybody corrupted. So me just say, I don't want nobody I put up a bag of posts and a ball about 9-year-old and all them so wicked and one wickeder than the person we kill the 9-year-old. Because we support demonic behavior. When we say nothing no wrong if man there with man. And nothing no wrong if girl there with girl as long as people in love. So we no alright with demon loving. And we alright with dark loving. Because as I'm telling you, say, me can't say everybody if you do make them happy, you know. Because if me say that, that means a crime is non-existent. If you are somebody will say, yo, love who you want, love your man, and do what you want to do as long as you're happy. Did you know that people happy after wickedness? So how you gonna say that? If you say people if you just do what make them happy. Then if you come in and see a man and rape your mother, you forgot your bed, just go in your room and lock your door and go sleep. Because the man do him love. Right? If you go to the church, you get a prayer. And when you pull the pulpit curtain, you see the pastor, I shove him dick down one little 6-year-old boy throat. You have to just drop at the curtain and go to your bed. Because you say, everybody if you do and make them happy. You understand? You cannot say people if you do what they want to do as long as it make them happy. Nothing no go so. Nothing can go so. And you get your pay and I go up on Friday. And a gunman will and rob you with your pay. And you can't pay your light bill and your water and your something. And your light cut off and thing. You sad, but the man will rob you happy. So all you gotta say, everybody if you do what make them happy. Do what you want to do as long as you're happy. Nothing can go so. Your happiness can mean somebody else's sadness or that work. You can say to somebody, say, do what make you happy as long as it is right. There's a big difference. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Can't get up and to talk about to each his own, where you get the argument from. Then if I to each his own, all that work. Oh, all right. Oh, you gotta look at some woman are reason now. Just look at simple things, you know. Come use me like use simple things and break down reason, you know. 4 woman friend. Them are reason. Them are drink them out to eat. Cause you know woman love go out to eat them and them friend. Oh Lord, all I wanna reason. Yo, listen, life short. Do what make you happy, yeah? Blood clot. And business with nobody just care about nobody as long as you're happy. So see our friend here sit down beside her. We like her for her husband long time. And sad how our friend get the man there, and she couldn't get the man. And she hear for her friend repeatedly. I say, do what you want as long as it make you happy. I don't care about the body. And it's a ribbit in her head and her friend I said that. And she said, then if I saw she think then she can't vex with me. She just go look the husband behind her back when she gonna work. And she and him have sex and the husband like her. And she just mash up the house and go with the husband. The first wife now, I got cuss and say the girl are wicked, and the girl are no good friend, and the girl fi dead and a wicked girl. No, you say she fi do whatever make she happy, and no business about nobody. And taking your man make she happy. So oh you go cuss. Oh you go cuss. You don't know what I got to your friend head. You don't know what truly make your friend happy. Your friend like how your man treat you. And like how him dead as a real man. She can't get a real man of your life. How be a fuck boy she get. And a your man she admire. Enough that she say na Jesus, I couldn't me in the light. Oh God. Oh she lucky son. Sometimes your friend like wish if you're dead. I said she can't dead man. Fish she take over the man. And you there chat up your mouth and they little mimosa and your little shots. But oh, I'm here. Your happiness is most important. I want to no business about people. Do I make you happy? I want to girl. Do I make you happy? Your business with people and them life. And your happiness come. And you know, say your husband she think about. Cause that's what makes you really happy. But if you say do what makes you happy as long as it's right. As long as it's right.